the baking soda.
Can you do me a favor and just pour the vinegar over the bowl, please?
Why?
So in case you spill, it goes in the bowl.
Can I put all of them?
That's enough, sweetie. You need to put more.
So we have one little empty venti left.
Okay.
Hey, we can make another big can over that have a little left.
You're right.
I can do it.
Okay, what colors are you going to put in it?
Blue and red.
Okay, let's see.
So first ready. Okay, first red. Okay. Now another one?
Yep.
Okay. That's a little one.
That's probably enough.
Yeah.
Put that top on good.
Now it's gonna be this color. No, it's gonna... Hey, you go.
If you mix blue and red, what do you get?
Purple.
Right.
Another one.
Okay.
Oops.
It's okay.
Now put baking soda. Ew.
It's alright.
It's blue right now.
Okay, shake it up so it turns. Shake it up a little more. There you go. Is that looking purple?
Yep. I know. But look.
Oops, Daddy forgot the spoon over there. Can you go get it?
Mama looks like hers here.
Okay, hold on. Alright, go ahead, lady.
Wow, purple coming out.
Good experiment, Tula. Good job.
Can I play with it?
Of course.
But I want this
Here.
too. Thank you.